welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to finally give you Ella's nursery tour. We stayed up very late last night finishing it, so excuse my appearance. So I would say it's about 95% done, and I just want to show you what we have done so far, and I'll go ahead and show you where we've got everything from. And yeah, and if you have been here since the ovulation test and trying for a baby, let me know in the comments below if you're one of my ride or dies. If not, welcome, and I'm super excited to share this experience with you. If you're new here, I am a mom of 2 boys, Carter, who is turning 3 this month, and Tanner, who will be 2 in January. So all of my children are 19 months apart, and here we have our first little girl, Ella May. Okay, so here is when you first walk in. So I will have the links to where I got everything down below, just for the sake of time. But I have a link for this beautiful, beautiful mobile that was sent to me. This little unicorn over here I got from TJ Maxx. The little golden dots are from Rocky Mountain Designs, and the letters I got from Michaels. This is actually a sweet little nightlight that I got from Amazon, and this I got around Valentine's Day at Target, the dollar spot. This crib my mom got us back when we were pregnant with Tanner, and then it was Carter's, and now it is Ella May's. I love this custom crib sheet. Again, I'll have everything linked below. And then here's just her little DockATot. This changing pad cover was from Target. And I love how the changing table is attached. And then I have the drawers here where I'll fill with diapers and all that kind of stuff. And then moving over, I have this little canopy here. I ordered these little pom-poms with it. This was also gifted to me from a sweet little Instagram shop. Little crown on top. And this was from Hobby Lobby. This chair also I've had since Carter. And it's just like an inexpensive chair from IKEA. And it's worked well, so I'm just keeping it. I don't need to go ahead and buy a glider or anything. This little muslin. This is from TJ Maxx. A sweet little unicorn from Target. And then her curtains here, these are from Homegoods. And then those little stars were from Target Dollar Spot like a really long time ago. I had them in my kitchen, I believe. Now we're moving to this little gallery wall. These I got from IKEA, and I spray painted them rose gold. I, as in Chris, it's going to put like her headbands and stuff in here. I love these. These are from Beastons. All her unicorn headbands, baby bling bows, along with a bunch of other bows. Some more bows. You never have enough bows, guys. Hi. All of this on this wall is from Hobby Lobby. This little candle was on clearance, and it's my favorite scent, coconut and papaya. This was Target Dollar Spot around Valentine's Day. These are IKEA spice racks. And then this, I got this little basket from Homegoods as well. All her little swaddles in there. These boxes are not staying here. They're just still out from my sprinkle. These are from the Dollar Spot too. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with those. Have her little dress hanging. Can't forget our unicorn head. This is from Amazon as well. And then this is on the back of the door from IKEA. I just have a couple of her stuffed animals in there. And then this rug I absolutely love. I showed you this in one of my baby hauls, but these Lorena Canal rugs are amazing. Tanner had a cloud one as well, but you could just throw them in the washer and dryer, so that's what I love about these. This little rug down here is from Target as well. I also got new handles that I didn't put on yet, so I'll definitely give like an updated nursery tour closer to her delivery date because I have some more things coming in the mail as well. But I went ahead last night and did all of her laundry. So I have all of her onesies in here sorted by size, her socks. These are all of her sleepers, also sorted by size. All of her little leggings. And then these 3 are still empty. But I'll have a link for this dresser. They have one on Amazon as well as Wayfair. And I will have a link for this. I know a lot of you guys like this on my Instagram. This is from Amazon. And I spray painted this rose gold. Sorry, OCD kicking in here. This is also from Hobby Lobby. And her closet is still kind of a mess because I'm just like holding a bunch of stuff that we didn't put together yet. But I did go ahead and hang up all of like the dresses and cute outfits and stuff like that. And then here is all her little shoes. So cute. This is from IKEA. It's for like drying your clothes, but these slippers, I can't even. And also thank you to all of you because all of you sent a lot of this stuff and you're the best. And then this is my pile for my hospital bag. Can't wait to do that video. If you're a mama, let me know what you wish you would have had in your hospital bag that you didn't. Give me a refresher here.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize